everyone, I'm Nettie. Welcome back to Nettie's Recipe Bowl. Today we're going to do shrimp 3 ways. We're going to pan saute them in a butter or garlic goodness. We're going to steam them for a healthy light option. And then we're going to the smoker for a smoky flavorful option. These are all easy to do shrimp recipes. So let's get started. We have 4 pounds of shrimp here. The larger shrimp we're going to peel, and those are the ones we're going to do on the smoker. Then we're going to take half of the smaller shrimp and we're going to steam those, and the other half we're going to saute in a buttery garlic. We're going to peel these shrimp and then we're going to drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt and pepper. And then we're going to throw them on the smoker at 225. For about 20 minutes we're going to smoke these. We're taking the shells off of these so that all the smoky goodness can penetrate into the shrimp. Our shrimp are deveined and peeled. Now we're going to drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. A teaspoon of onion powder. A teaspoon of garlic powder, some ground pepper, and some salt. And then we're just going to mix that all together. Make sure that each shrimp is coated with your seasoning. We're just going to lay these out on a wire rack. You can use anything on your grill as long as it has holes in it to let the smoke come up through. I don't like to put these directly on the grill only because we lose so many of them down between the grates. So if you have a grill pan, it works perfect. Okay, we have all our seasoned shrimp arranged on this wire rack, or you can use a smoker safe tray. Rod's going to go out and preheat our smoker to 225 degrees, and we're going to smoke these babies for 20 to 30 minutes, just until you start getting a good smoky aroma from them and they've turned pink. Look at that, 20 minutes on the smoker. They are delicious. You don't even need cocktail sauce or butter to dip these in, they're so flavorful. Give these a try. Here we have a buttery pan-sautéed shrimp that we're going to saute in a couple tablespoons of butter, and I already have some garlic minced up. We're going to throw that in, and we're going to saute these for 3 to 4 minutes until they turn pink. And then we are going to squeeze some fresh lemon on top and sprinkle a little fresh parsley on them. Squeeze a lemon. Yummers! Look at that. Steaming the shrimp. It's simple, healthy, and lets the shrimp's natural flavor shine. It's perfect for dipping in cocktail sauce, or they're flavorful enough with the Old Bay seasoning we're sprinkling on to eat just as they are. And don't skimp on your Old Bay. One can of beer, one bay leaf. We're going to steam these for 3 to 4 minutes. Yummers! There you have it. 3 delicious ways to cook shrimp. Pan-sautéed, steamed, and smoked. Each method brings out a unique flavor. You don't even need cocktail sauce with any of this shrimp, it's so flavorful. Let me know in the comments which recipe you would like to try. Hit to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to share with your fellow seafood lovers. See ya!